Good morning, students. Today we will start chapter 2nd of class 11, that is units and measurement. As you know that to measure any physical quantity we need certain units. So in this lecture we will discuss about what are units and what are the units of measurement. Then first of all we will going to discuss the brief idea about physics. Look at here, physics, that branch of science, that branch of science in which we observe we observe, measure and describe, measure and describe natural phenomena, natural phenomena related to matter and energy, related to matter and energy, matter and energy. As you know that each and every substance in this universe which occupies a space and have mass is considered as matter, and if there is the energy accompanied with the matter, then it gives rise to certain natural phenomena, and that natural phenomena is considered in physics. The matter and energy are need to be measured in certain units, so we observe the measurement, because without measurement we can't able to know the that quantity. The natural phenomena can be classified as, the natural phenomena can be classified as mechanics, mechanics, properties of matter, properties of matter, sound, that is also called as acoustics, acoustics, light, optics, heat, that is thermal physics, atomic physics, atomic physics, nuclear physics, nuclear physics, etc. So, so the natural phenomena can be classified as mechanics, in which we deal about the classical mechanics, matter as a whole, microscopic physics. We will deal with mechanics, properties of matter. What are the properties of matter? Mass, elasticity, strain, stress. In case of sound, various properties of sound we will discuss, and that part of physics which deals with sound is called as acoustics. The physics which deals with light, that is called as optics. Heat and transfer of heat is dealt in thermal physics. Microscopic level of physics, that is atomic physics and nuclear physics. So this is in a nutshell, we will study the whole natural phenomena in these sections. Now we will discuss about the physical quantities. Physical quantities. Quantities. Physical quantities. There are various quantities, that is mass, energy, momentum, torque, and so more physical quantities. That quantities which can be obeyed by laws of physics, or laws of physics is being applied in that quantities, and the quantities which can be measured. That quantities which can be measured, first thing, and second thing, that laws of physics is applied there. If both are combined and the quantities which are obeying these two things, that they can be measured and laws of physics are being applied there, that quantities are called as physical quantities. So write it down. The quantities by means of which we describe the laws of physics. Laws of physics the laws of physics and which can be measured are called physical quantities. Are called physical quantities. Means those quantities which can be measured and over which laws of physics are applied. What are the laws of physics? Laws of physics are such as Newton's law of gravitation, Coulomb's law, Biot-Savart law. Means on the that physical quantity. Suppose I am telling you about the new universal law of gravitation. So in case of universal law of gravitation, what you will observe? In case of universal law of gravitation, you will observe that there are two masses and they are separated by a certain distance. Then a force of attraction is being applied between these two masses. So that force can be measured. So there are the masses are the physical quantities which can be measured, and the force is being applied between these two masses. The force is also a physical quantity. Similarly, but Ohm's law, Coulomb's law, in all these laws, the laws of physics is applied there, and the quantities which are used, that can be measured in certain units. So that quantities are called as the physical quantities. Physical quantities can be expressed as physical quantities. Physical quantities. Physical quantities can be expressed as first numerical values. Numerical values only. Means the physical quantity has numerical values, and that numerical values are what? Ratio. B. Magnitude only. That is a scalar. And C. Magnitude and direction. Vector.